Can you see visible, sir?
Yes, I can.
Sure.
Yeah, that is super. Single attempt without any compilation error, you finished. Very good. Okay. So, okay, I'll ask control. Can you please give me control? I'll
Yes, sir.
show you. Yeah, here itself. Yes. So, here, if you observe, this variable is given as a public.
Yes, sir.
So, when you are setting a value using the object dot, you can access the variable here. And also when you're retrieving the value, object dot the value. If I make this as private, then the variable will not be accessible here, because it is same like a private diary, which is not accessible to the outside world. So if I want it to be accessible, see here it is telling it's private. Student roll number is private. To make it accessible, we have to do only one simple thing. After this class, we have to write a function, a member function. We call it as member function. For the member function, the syntax is the class name, double colon, the function name, get roll number. If I give get roll number, I will return the roll number.
Sir, and get roll number R should be capital, sir.
No. It is just naming,
Okay.
naming convention. You can keep anything.
Okay.
Just you can give small also. Since I'm used to follow a naming convention, it is called camel case. Same way, to set a value to that roll number, set roll number. Once again.
Okay.
Okay, sorry for that. My daughter and my son had a fight.
No problem, sir.
The roll number from outside. So I have to give here the roll number, which is, what is the roll number? Int. So int input roll number. So after this, I have to set it. So what I have to do, roll number. This is this roll number is in the class, and this right side is the input which we are passing. Now if I see here, okay, student name does not name a type. What is this? This is get. This is going to return an integer.
Capital
Okay,
F.
false student. Okay. What happened? In student double colon get length, and it is not going to return anything. Return the roll number. That is it. No declaration matches each student. double colon get roll number. Okay, this function I have to declare it inside the class also. That there is a function which I will be using it. Now this is from outside I have to. Okay, this is now here also same student, and set is not going to return anything. It is void. So I can do here void send in input. Okay. Now instead of this is a place where we are setting the roll number into the class. So we have to call this function. Instead of dot roll number, dot set of roll number. When we are retrieving dot instead of roll number, we will call get roll number. Roll number was not declared in this code. Yes, I have to read it. Let me have a local variable. Temp roll number. So whatever the user is inputting, I will store in a temp roll number, and I will pass the temp roll number and set it inside the class. Now I will use the get roll number and print it outside. What is again is private within this context. Set roll number. What is correct only? Line set roll number. Okay. I got it. I have to declare as public. If I don't declare as public, it is private.
Okay.
So I'll do here public. Expected semicolon. Okay, we don't have an error. You will see if it is working. How many? Can you input some values?
Yes, sir.
It is working same, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have to do to access this number. Okay, first thing is, if you don't give this, it will be a private. Yesterday I forgot to tell you. Default access modifier of the class is default is private. It is not accessible outside. So we have to explicitly give public if I want to access it outside. So for this attribute, whatever I'm having, I will write two functions, one for getting, another for setting.
Okay.
Let us say I have one more variable as int name. Let's take let us take one more okay, age, integers. Let us take age means I have to write two more functions for age. That is int get age. Get age will not take any input. It will just give me output as integer. This is output, this is an input. And when I want to set an age, I will not get any output. I will pass in temp age. This you understand?
Yes, sir.
For every variable, we need to have two functions, one for get and one for set. This is member variable function. This is called. Now, since we have just given the function, we have to write the function. For writing the function, I will just copy this without semicolon. I will write the body of the function. This and here. So get age means I have to return what is in the class age. The same way set means I have to set into the class age equal to temp age. And since I have to use inside the class, I have to give class double colon. Meaning this function is inside the class. If I give F9, okay, return. Okay, now if I can use the same way. Okay, set. Okay, why don't you do it? I'll delete this, and you add a variable. Okay, this is roll number. We'll add one for. Why don't we try the name itself? Yes, can you try the name itself?
Okay, sir.
Make the name as private and let's read the name also and set it inside. Name is a cat.
Yes.
And name will have more than one character, right?
Yes.
So it's an array. 20. Okay, very good.
Please to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos.
Okay, whether name is going to return integer.
No, char only.
Yes.
Sir, here also inside bracket I should write 20, right? After name.
I didn't get you.
I should write like this or only name is enough.
Yeah, that is enough.
Only name is enough, sir.
Yes, yes. One minute.
Okay.
One thing I want to try. I'll comment this. I'll comment this. I'll comment this. So everything is working fine, right? I want to see if the string is working here. String name. I will read C in name. C out. Welcome. If string is working instead of char array, we can use string itself. What how many numbers you want? One, and it will tell welcome. Okay, string is working. Instead of char array, you can give us string itself.
First,
Oh,
no.
no problem. Yeah, here instead of this, we'll give string, and when we give string, there is no need to give an array.
Array. Okay. So then in char get name also there is.
Yeah, there also you have to give string.
No, but it's not coming in black bold letters.
Yeah, maybe it is not. It is a new one. Maybe I'm not sure. I'll check it. Here also it's not char. Set name will be string input name. String and followed by an object name. Whatever you want, you can.
It's a tiger. 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 It's just
Yeah, you can enter and it will automatically come. The set will have a value. Set will not be void.
Okay.
Get only will be one. String.
Sure.
Yes.
Doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in string student no, sir. In line 21.
21. Yes, that string is the return. It will
Yes,
be void.
void
No, no.
only.
When you are setting it, you will pass input, but the return is void.
Okay, sir.
In 21 starting, you can make it void. No, no. This line is correct. 22, what you wrote is correct. Whatever input is coming, you have to set into the class variable name.
Okay, sir.
This is correct. In 21 starting, it will be void.
Starting, yes, sir.
Yeah. The set function will be void. The get function input will be void. You have, it is constant for everything. That string you can remove. If it is set, then void will be starting. Inside the bracket, value will be there. If it is get, inside the bracket, it will be void. Outside the value will be there.
Okay. Sir, we can change the order, sir. Like first to void, then string, or to maintain any order, sir. Like line 15 int is coming. So after that, only void is coming.
Ah, no, no, any order.
Okay.
You can do set first and then get also. No issue.
Okay.
No, after no. After they enter the roll number, you have to get the name there itself. After 39. First, you are getting the roll number. You are setting inside the class. Then for the same student, you have to get the name. After 40. After 39 now.
For that, I should write how many name I want. Also.
No. Already this, it is not how many roll number. You change that to how many students you want. Now you will understand. So for the same student, they are giving the roll number and name.
Okay, so now.
How many students you want to enter? So for that, those many students, first you are asking roll number. Next you ask the name.
Name. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
in key I should write name only, no, sir.
Temporarily, see how I have done 38. If it was public, then directly we can give student obj dot name.
Okay, sir.
Since it is private, temporarily you get into a variable, use that and call the set method. 38 and 39, see the reference, how I have done. I'm reading into a temporary roll number. So
Yes, sir.
declare a
Because we
variable.
have given a int as temporary roll number. Not,
Yeah, that is temp roll number. Same
yes,
way
sir.
you give a temp name,
Okay, sir.
string.
In string, okay. Here itself I can say no.
Yes, yes, you can give comma and give temp. Actually, that name is not used, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can use it then. We just did for testing purpose, right? Correct. That 34 you delete it.
Okay.
That you can cut and paste it inside.
The 30, this 34 also I can delete my sir. The see out welcome name.
One second.
Okay.
Yes, Ines, I'm sorry. Tell me now.
This 34 line. See out
This
welcome.
34 we can remove it.
Okay. Completed.
Super, it is working now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, any questions in this? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir. Got it. So while using string, should write any def file for that, sir. By using string.
No, the new version. Okay, inside the std only it is there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, in the new version it is there. The old compiler string is not there.
Okay.
Okay, super. So now you save this one. We'll come back to this. You write a program
Okay, sir.
to add two numbers using reference.
Okay.
You have to, I'll tell the program what I need. You have to get two numbers in the main program.
Okay.
You have to pass it to a function. You have to add it in the function and you have to store it in the result.
Okay, sir.
You have to print the result in the main program, but you should not return the result from the program, from the function.
Okay.
Without using a return statement in the function, you have to add the numbers and
Okay.
print it in the main program using reference.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just try it out. I'll help you if you struggle on it.
Okay. So for result in adding, we should do ambition, sir. And
I didn't get you.
Sir, in call by reference, we are using the symbol, like and symbol and number.
Yes, that is the address
Yes,
or
sir.
reference.
Okay, sir. Hmm. Sir, up to this, right, sir?
Try. No problem. You try. This is just a first program, right? I want you to think and try. If I help you, you will not be able to recollect. You have read two input numbers. Next, what is the step, logical step? You have written a function. You have read the two numbers. Then,
So that add call by reference.
yes, you have to call that function.
Yes, sir.
The reason I'm daily giving at least one program is I don't know if you get time after, like you have college classes. You will also want some extra like free time. So I don't know if you are having time to practice or you'll get bored to practice and all. So when you are in the class, that time itself, I'll use that to train you. That's all. That is why daily I give. I don't expect you to do any program outside of this class. So without your knowledge, slowly you will start grabbing things and automatically you will write programs. So now if you make mistakes, no worries. You have to make lots of mistakes now. Only then when you go to the actual exam, I mean, now it may be like online, that is okay, but you will know the concept only then.
Okay. So result 0 means
Yeah. Why? First of all, is it called by reference?
no.
It is called by value.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Called by reference means
But the RAM is end symbol should work.
yes. Okay.
Okay.
One simple mistake only. Call by reference. What is the rules? Syntax.
What's
Yes. What is that?
the right only void?
Do you have the old program? Yesterday we did call by.
Yes, sir.
Can you open that and see?
Okay. Sir. Um,
Is it same like what you have done now?
no, sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, I have given the number here. It's
No, no,
okay.
that is okay. And that is the logic you have written is correct only.
Okay,
But
sir.
syntax is wrong. Somewhere, one place, the syntax is wrong. From what is you have written yesterday and what you have now. One small syntax is wrong. I want you to find out. If you find out, you'll never forget. No, no, don't add any new codes. In your existing code, everything is correct. One small syntax is wrong. That's all.
Okay. Okay.
You found out?
Yes, sir.
That is the call by reference. You don't pass a reference. You pass the value,
Yes,
but
sir.
you receive the reference.
Okay.
Okay, now done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, got it.
so you, if you see this program, this function, you are not returning any result. You
Yes.
are just adding and storing to a result. That's all.
Okay.
But automatically, that result is coming to the main program
Yes, sir.
because we are passing by reference. We are in the function. We are getting and.
Yes, sir.
If you had removed and, the result will be printing as 0. That is why initially it was printing 0.
Yeah.
Okay, so with this we'll stop for today. So you learned how to what is private and how to access the private variables,
Yes, sir.
and you like tried 2 programs.
Okay.
What is that is going on in college now?
Sir, they are teaching new line function, sir.
I didn't get you.
The new line function something they started for us today.